It's a day in court for 19-year-old Louis Artal. He's accused of being impaired and speeding when he hit the three students, Sophia Trotel, Josiah Santos, and Katia Castillo-Mendoza. They were walking in a crosswalk near campus last month. 13 News reporter Kayla Butter was in the courtroom for Artal's arraignment today and joins us live from the Pima County Superior Courthouse. Kayla.
Yeah, Valerie, Artal went before a judge today and was charged with 3 counts of manslaughter, a lesser charge than the ones he was initially arrested for. In court today, I heard one of the victim's family members cry out as those charges were read. Louis Artal was officially charged with 3 counts of manslaughter today, more than 2 weeks after the deadly hit and run that killed 3 University of Arizona students. Artal was originally arrested and facing charges of 3 counts of second-degree murder and leaving the scene of an accident involving death after turning himself in following the crash. Louis Artal, a criminal defense attorney in Tucson who is not affiliated with this case, says a grand jury issued the indictment with charges different from the original charges he was facing following his arrest.
That could be based on what was proposed to them by the prosecutor's office, or it could be that that's what the grand jury decided to do of their own volition.
Artal says because he's not involved with the case, it's difficult to pinpoint why this decision was made, but says there are major differences between manslaughter and second-degree murder charges.
Manslaughter requires a mental state of recklessness, of gross recklessness, whereas second-degree murder generally requires intentional conduct.
Upon arrest, Artal was accused of being impaired and speeding when he hit the 3 students, Sophia Trotel, Josiah Santos, and Katia Castillo-Mendoza. Now that he faces 3 manslaughter charges, Artal will likely face far fewer years in prison if convicted. He was released on a $250,000 cash bond only last week and remains out of custody. Today was just the start of Artal's court hearings. He has a case management conference on December 18th and a pre-trial conference in late January. Reporting live downtown, Kayla Butter, 13 News.